Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. आज मैं लेके आई हूँ एक बहुत ही प्यारा हॉल फ्रॉम Amazon of some amazing कुर्ता सेट्स जो बहुत ही अच्छे ऑप्शंस है फॉर लाइक समर वेयर, वर्क वेयर. सच एलिगेंट एंड सच स्टनिंग पीसेस मुझे Amazon पे मिले हैं that you are going to love it. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So आते हैं to the first outfit, which is this very elegant beige suit set from the brand Mix from Amazon. ये set का cost है around 1500 rupees and I think it's totally worth it. One, because ये जो fabric है it's 100% pure cotton. So let's go bit by bit. So 100% pure cotton शिफली fabric का ये पूरा कुर्ता है. You can see such a beautiful design, embroidered design all over the kurta. इसका जो neckline है वो भी बहुत interesting है. It has like this organza fabric का kind of this ruffle detailing on the neckline. A bit of red going on here just to add that pop of color. Organza दुपट्टा आता है, very simple दुपट्टा which just complements the kurta set beautifully because there's so much work on the kurta that you don't want the dupatta to be overpowering. And इसका जो sleeves है, I love that too. I love the detailing on the sleeves. And जो pants है, they are very very comfortable, super comfortable. And I love the fact that it has the the embroidered detailing, shifty detailing on the pants bottom as well. And it does come with a pocket on your pants, so it's a very elegant and very stylish suit set, perfect for office wear. अभी मैंने यहाँ पे ना ऑक्सीडाइज ज्वेलरी पहनी है, wearing like a little big size झुमकास. आप चाहो तो बहुत सिंपल से इयरिंग्स पहन सकते हो. You can wear pearls as well with this because it'll go beautifully since it is white on the kurta set, so it'll look very nice. But I think it's a great one for daily work wear, or you are wanting to visit someone at their place for a dinner. You want to dress up in a nice formal attire which is not too much but yet it looks very stylish. Then this is a perfect kurta set. I've paired it with the same color heels. You can go with a little bit of contrast in maybe like silver or white, but I think this looks very put together and very elegant. And yeah, I will definitely give a big thumbs up for this outfit. आते हैं टू येट अनदर वेरी सिंपल एंड एलिगेंट पीस फ्रॉम द ब्रांड मिक्स. तो ये जो सूट सेट है, इट कॉस्ट ओनली 999 रुपीज़ एंड इट्स अ वेरी गुड डील बिकॉज एज यू कैन सी इट्स सो प्रिटी, इट्स सो सिंपल. इट जस्ट हैज़ द लेस डिटेलिंग ऑन द कुर्ता सेट एंड आई लव द कलर ऑफ दिस सेट. इट्स सच अ नाइस शेड ऑफ ब्लू जो किसी भी स्किन टोन पे बहुत ही प्यारा लगेगा. सो अगेन इट्स अ वेरी ग्रेट pick for workwear because it looks so elegant, so classy and stylish at the same time. So पूरा जो कुर्ता सेट है, it's made of polyester fabric. It's not 100% cotton like the previous one, but it is a very comfortable fabric. But I would say अगर आप outdoors काम करते हो ज़्यादा, you might feel a little hot wearing this in the summer time. But if you are in an AC environment, then it is totally comfortable wearing this. And it comes with a net dupatta with lace border all over the dupatta. And जो मेरी height है 5.5, उसके लिए जो length है of the pant as well is perfect. The pant also has the lace detailing at the bottom and it comes with a pocket, which is a great thing. And मैंने styling बहुत simple रखी है, just wearing these earrings, oxidized earrings. Again, it is a set जहाँ पे आप pearl earrings भी पहन सकते हो, वो भी बहुत ही बढ़िया दिखेगा. And I think it's a great option for gifting as well. You want to gift your mom a good kurta set, you want to gift your sister. This is such a nice piece that anybody would love it. ओके जब मैं समर कुर्ता सेट्स या वर्कवेयर कुर्ता सेट्स ले रही हूँ, आई ऑलवेज लव टू check for a nice indigo kurta set, and I found the perfect affordable option on Amazon. This again is from Mix and ये सिर्फ 899 रुपीज़ का कुर्ता सेट है. How affordable is that and how pretty is this kurta set? तो ये पूरा जो सेट है, it's in like cotton blend fabric. It's not pure cotton but it is super soft. It's so comfortable. काफ़ी पतला है the kurta itself, but it is not see-through, but it is quite thin. So if you have an issue with it being very thin, you may not like it. But I absolutely love this set because just the design and the color is something I love and it looks great on everybody. And indigo sets जो होते हैं वर्कवेयर के लिए बहुत ही अच्छे लगते हैं. They are never out of style, always so classy. And it has this very simple blue lace going on the neckline. It has a V neckline, and यहाँ पे भी you can see all over the kurta right here there is that lace going all the way to the bottom. जो pant है इसका, it is in a totally different design than the kurta, so I like there is a mix and match of design, but it goes well together. And जो दुपट्टा है, it again is so pretty. It is a little narrow than the usual dupatta size, so width इसका थोड़ा कम है, and I wish it wasn't a little plain on the back side. I wish it was printed either side. इससे बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता. But yeah, that's just what I feel. Maybe you will like it the way it is, but I think for 899 rupees it is a steal deal. And again, मैंने यहाँ पे इसे स्टाइल किया with oxidized jewelry, but this time I have worn a very simple choker. आप इस तरह से भी work wear के लिए dress up कर सकते हैं. If you wear a very simple necklace, it looks very nice and very different. And yeah, it's hands down one of my favorite picks from today's video. A classic black kurta set can never go out of style, and again I have a very lovely one from the brand Mix. ये जो कुर्ता सेट है थोड़ा प्राइसियर है, 1399 का ये पूरा सेट है, but it is a very very pretty and a very trendy kurta set. आजकल आपको बहुत दिखेंगे, like everyone is into like you know these embroidery work kurta sets. So this is in like viscose blend fabric पूरा जो set है, and पूरे kurta set पे you can see this such beautiful embroidery, floral embroidery going on, and जो neckline है वहाँ पे आपको sequin work भी मिलेगा. So it is a bit like you know the fancy kurta set. कभी कभी ऑफिस में कुछ special days होते हैं when you want to dress up a little more you know glamorous, and this is a perfect kurta set for it because it's very comfortable if you want to wear for work wear, and you will not look like over the top as well, but yet it will add a little more glamour to your everyday work wear looks. And I like the sleeves as well, बहुत ही simple सा floral embroidery work है on the sleeves as well. And जो कुर्ता का bottom है, it's a very simple trouser with just the white you know border on the kurta, and even जो दुपट्टा है it is in an organza blend fabric, and इस पे भी floral booties है and very simple white border going all the way. So मैंने यहाँ पे स्टाइलिंग को सिंपल रखा है. I've added these झुमकास, oxidized झुमका, a little more on the you know more darker oxidized look, and I'm wearing a kada and a finger ring. That's it. Again, because of the white embroidery on it, आप इस पे pearl jewelry भी pair कर सकते हैं, and you can also wear like kundan jewelry on it. तो आप इसे थोड़ा you know ज़्यादा statement jewelry पहन के भी you can wear it for a more bigger occasion. I would say like you want to go for a family get together dinner, you want to wear a little more stylish jewelry, you can do that. So ये बहुत ही versatile outfit है and बहुत ही ज़्यादा comfortable outfit है, and I would really recommend कि आप इसे check करिए. सारे links description box में दिए गए हैं. आते हैं to this set that literally screams summer. How beautiful is this kurta set? Again ये है from the brand Mix. सिर्फ 999 रुपीज़ का ये कुर्ता सेट है, and it is amazing. एक तो इसका कलर, it's such a nice vibrant shade of yellow. पूरा ना दिन में पूरा दिन आप पहनोगे तो भी आप बहुत ही फ्रेश लगोगे. जस्ट लाइक ब्राइटन्स अप योर मूड इंस्टेंटली. एंड इसका जो पूरा प्रिंट है ऑन द कुर्ता, आई एब्सोल्युटली लव इट. द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ येलो एंड ग्रीन लुक्स गॉर्जियस. So as you can see, कुर्ता पे बहुत सिंपल सा लेस डिटेलिंग है right here. It has a V neckline. जो इसके sleeves हैं, they are like flared sleeves. Print on the pant is different, and the whole combination looks absolutely perfect and gorgeous. It is such a nice vibrant suit set to wear for office, and as I said, you will look fresh throughout the day. Just like अगर मेरे घर में छोटी सी पूजा है and I want to wear something very comfortable, I would definitely pick this one. Temple visits के लिए also it is so beautiful, and again I just love the whole look of it. It looks very comfortable, feels very comfortable, and looks absolutely amazing when you wear it, and it has to be my most favorite set from today's video. So guys, ये थे सारे कुर्ता सेट्स फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. आई एम श्योर आप लोगों को भी बहुत पसंद आए जैसे मुझे पसंद आए. I'm also wearing currently one from Amazon again, so I will try and link that as well in the description box for you guys. And आपको पता है you know कि अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा you have to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.